While millions flock to Toronto's tourist spots, locals know a secret. Hidden among rolling hills just outside the city lies Elora, a town where picture-perfect charm meets the growing pains of viral fame. This historic village, known for its dramatic gorge and Victorian architecture, has become one of Ontario's most photographed destinations. But today, I'm showing you the real Ellora, beyond the Instagram filters. From stunning shop fronts to unexpected challenges, I'll guide you through everything I wish I'd known before visiting this transformed town. Let me show you exactly how I got here. Getting to Elora from Toronto takes about 90 minutes by car, following Highway 401 west before heading north on Highway 6. That's the route that I took, cruising past rolling farmlands and small towns along the way. If you're relying on public transit, you'll need to plan a bit more carefully. Catch a GO bus from Toronto's Union Station to Guelph, which takes about 2 hours. From Guelph, you'll need to either book a taxi or a rideshare for the final 30-minute stretch to Ellora, as there's no direct public transit connection through here. While driving offers a little bit more flexibility, both options let you sit back and enjoy the scenic journeys through Ontario's countryside.
The video quality and the photo quality is insanely good.
We reached Elora and initially had some issues finding parking, but there are plenty of public parking spots, and if you just drive around a little bit, you will easily find one.
नहीं सीधा सीधा
Founded in 1832, Ellora grew from a frontier settlement into Ontario's most picturesque mill town. And did you know that the town's founder, Captain William Gilkson, was so inspired by the ancient caves of Ajanta and Ellora in India that he named this place after them? I always wondered if there would be a connection between these two places. The dramatic limestone gorge and powerful Grand River attracted early settlers who built mills along its banks, leading to decades of prosperity. This wealth is still visible today in Ellora's stunning Victorian architecture. These limestone buildings aren't just beautiful, they're telling stories of a time when the rhythmic sounds of mills' wheels echoed through these very streets.
Try the community cafe?
Yeah, we tried, but that place has like no heating. Literally.
That's why it's empty.
Yeah.
Me and my friends stumbled upon a really beautiful Curio store by the name of Mermaid in Ellora. And let me tell you that this store was something like that I've never seen before. You basically had a collection almost as if it was an archive of a lot of the most functional but at the same time overlooked upon things in the world, right? Like they had 4 separate rooms over here. They had a room for doorknobs, they had a room for like antiquities, basically simple things such as things that you would hang, like charms and bracelets and things like that, and compasses as well. And yeah, super unique, super cool to watch. So I'll just let you guys watch what the entire thing is like.
Like this shop was made by someone super detail oriented.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I want to understand what are all the doorknobs like. Hey, what is this?
This is Star Wars. Okay, I'm buying this. This is mine.
Oh my God, I didn't know that these things existed.
Thank you for sharing.
After visiting the Mermaid in Ellora, we visited a stationery shop, and again, this town is completely blowing me away. I did not expect to see such a beautiful stationery shop. In fact, I'm not even sure if I can call this a stationery shop because it had so many different items over here and it was so beautiful. So check it out for yourself.
I think I'm getting this for Srishti. Sticker book for a junk journal.
Thank you, Didi. Oh my goodness. That's right, guys. Let's talk about the unfortunate food situation at Ellora. We ran into this unforeseen circumstance where literally every restaurant or cafe that we walked into required us to have a reservation or had an at least 2 to 3 hour wait, which we thought was due to us visiting the town during the holiday season. I mean, yes, partially, yes. But we got some insight into why it was much more chaotic than what we actually saw. When we visited the stationery home goods store, the owner was really friendly and she explained that there was a marketing campaign that really put Elora on the virality map, but there was a very little done to actually prepare the town to handle the fame that it got from the social media efforts.
Some people are frustrated because the parking isn't perfect, and then I think a lot of people felt a bit frustrated that they've been hungry, and the restaurants have been overbooked.
Yeah, kind of our story over there.
Yeah, so I think it's growing pains. I think Elora will get better at making sure that there's parking and that you guys can,
You do need
because we want you to come and enjoy and not be frustrated.
Bro, Shepherd's Pub didn't even want to bother me and Rajat. They're like, yeah guys, not happening today.
Make sure that is your tagline. Do not come to Ellora during Christmas. Yeah. You will not find anything. No food.
No.
No food. Yeah.
So we're at the Christmas market in Elora right now. During the daytime, I kind of feel that the vibes are very different, but you get to see much too different at that point. Yeah. The heating on the knees feels good. When in doubt, you can always rely on a trusty hot dog stand in town. We decided to get some food at the Christmas market as it was past lunchtime and we were hungry. So we decided to share a poutine and some fried.
I'm really looking into the pot over there. Kind of want the pot.
Alright guys, so we just visited the Christmas market at Ellora, and right off the bat, it's a smaller Christmas market. Ellora is a smaller village, town. Sorry, Ellora is a smaller town, and you can tell because it's literally one street. So 180-degree, you can see that it starts over there. And that's my friend Rajat, and it ends on that side. Where you have a small hot dog stand, hot dog, poutine, stuff like that you can get. The place is okay, but the garbage has not been cleaned. It's quaint and it's nice, but they could do slightly better just by keeping the area clean, just by a little bit. At this point, having exhausted all options for us to have lunch at Ellora, we decided to take in the last few sites before heading to the neighboring town of Fergus in the hopes to have lunch. We're at the Golden Coconut Vietnamese and Thai restaurant in Fergus, Ontario. And I gotta say, this is one of the best and presentable Vietnamese food place that I've come to so far. So let's take a look. So I got myself a grilled pork with grilled chicken platter. And it comes with soup and fish sauce and rice and veggies. My sister got herself a wonton noodle with soup and dumplings. And Rajat got himself a vermicelli bowl with grilled chicken or grilled pork and spring rolls. How is it, man?
It's good. We're hungry.
And then there's Mansi. Let's stick right in. Arey wow! Nice limey kinda scent.
Slimy?
Limey.
Lime. Oh my god.
Even the rice has flavor, man. The portion size is boss. The tastes are really amazing. The smoky char flavor is like really good. Alright guys, so this was like a conclusion to a day in Ellora, and then following that up with an impromptu visit to Fergus, Ontario itself. I gotta say that Fergus, Ontario kind of saved the day just because we came to like a ridiculously boss Vietnamese and Thai food restaurant. I think we were four hungry super souls at that point, which led to us really praising Fergus. But it was a really amazing meal that we had over here. Even the charm of Elora was okay. Like, visit Elora when it's not that packed. I'll take you guys there for a second visit for sure, because I don't want to bash it down mainly because of that visit that did not go as planned. But that being said, it was a fun day. Come to Fergus, but also do explore. Come to Ellora, but also do explore Fergus. And yeah, one more thing, guys. Just make sure that you reserve the spots. Like, whenever you're coming to Ellora, do ensure that you've reserved some of your spots at like a lot of the restaurants, or maybe multiple reserve, because you might just be in a situation where you might not get entry into one, or they might just like disregard your reservation altogether, and you don't want to be in that situation at that point. So multiple book ahead of time, even before coming to Fergus. Try to come not on a long weekend. Try to come on maybe midweek. I know that's not possible, but if you've planned it out well ahead of time, yeah, so I think those are the two biggest takeaways of visiting Ellora. Otherwise, it's a really beautiful town, at least worth visiting once. So hope that helps you guys. I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye.
There's the main thing you come here to eat.
Oh, by the way, I sprayed lavender on him, so it's good.
Oh, that's why I was like, what is this like?
Sala mein like acha thoda sa cinematic the stuff I'm trying to take, and then like I can literally see the spray bounce off of me. Okay, like bro, what are you doing?